What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to Animal Kingdom. We are here again. We're gonna go meet up with Taylor's family.
Yes, this is their third day here?
Something like that. But they've got some fast passes. Taylor's been trying to get us fast passes to match them. So
yeah, I kind of did. I finally got them down, which I can't believe I did before the parks even opened. Ooh, annual pass holder line is
look at this. This is crazy.
So this is insane. We normally get here before the park time actually opens. It's like 5 after 9 right now. We're normally here before this to beat the mad rush. We were a little tired, so we're a little late getting started, but at least the annual pass holder line is short.
A late start to the day, so we have to get coffee and food. It's essential. So if you come in here to Starbucks, you can actually get free ice water without even having to go to the counter. You just kind of make your way in through the exit, and you can grab it from right over there. This is the official table of the WDW Couple.
So as we were eating our breakfast on our little trash can up there, we saw a cast member holding a sign with Pocahontas' face on it. So we're going to meet Pocahontas. Jossie's got her little autograph book. We are about to go. Jossie's getting in trouble. We are about to journey up the Forbidden Mountain for Expedition Everest.
Check this out. Oh, he left. Oh, he's right there.
What? It's a freaking squirrel.
This here is the illustrious gray squirrel. Seen breaking into kids' food so that it can eat in the wild. Watch as it is not afraid to dive into the bag, which it could suffocate in because it's a plastic bag. This food's good.
I need to get a fan like this to cool myself up. Keep my makeup nice and tacked.
Wow, so you can really look like a tourist, huh?
Yeah. I'll get one that like hangs from my neck like a necklace. Then I can just lift it up. Or one that plugs into my phone, which I actually already have one of those from Busch Gardens. So get this. My mom and Skylar have Flight of Passage Fast Pass for like 4 p.m. or something, and they weren't gonna be able to be here for it because of when dinner is tonight. Well, somebody just got on here modifying and a 12:20 popped up, so they don't have to come back later this evening. They can ride it right before or after lunch. You're welcome. And I got one for me and Josh too. I'm so excited. My favorite ride ever.
Tell everybody, Taylor, tell everybody.
Well,
Hurry.
It just started pouring down rain. Josh didn't bring the backpack today, so we don't have an umbrella, but we got this little dinky one of Jossie's that apparently Skylar and I are gonna try and fit under together.
Go ahead, we're gonna watch.
We're gonna watch. No, I don't want to. I'm scared. I don't want to get soaked. So before we use our fast pass for Flight of Passage, we mobile ordered from Satuli Canteen, and it just told us it is ready for pickup. You're gonna be 8198.
Yep.
What did you get?
2 kids
What's your
meals.
food?
Wasn't sure if you needed another tray, if you had.
So I got the grilled beef bowl for my lunch with noodles on the bottom, which they added probably like last year around November, I think it was, which I'm really glad because the rice was good, but the noodles are way better. And Josh,
I got 2 kids meals.
hot dog and the burger pods.
I got chicken and rice. It's kind of a little bit spicy. Doggy doesn't like it. And I eat some of the noodles. And my chicken rice looks good. But it has a couple stuff on with salad. What you eat.
Here, Jossie.
And I got Coke to drink whatever it is. I like Coke.
So we are getting on Flight of Passage! And we just finished our lunch at Satuli Canteen, and I actually got Jossie and Darren fast passes for Navi River Journey. So they don't just have to sit around and wait for us, they're gonna ride their ride while we ride the best ride on Disney property currently. Ooh, the lens is fogging up because it was cold in Satuli Canteen and it's so muggy out here.
Alright guys, well we are leaving Animal Kingdom and we are going to go to Cape May Cafe later. Have a good day.
Alright Jerry, thank you.
Probably not going to do like an official dining review because I think we've done a dining review from there before.
I'm getting Oreo bonbons.
It may have been...
It's been like since we first started videos. It's been a while.
I mean, maybe we should just do another one. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so we are at the beach club because we're going to go eat at Cape May Cafe. I don't think that this is going to be an actual dining review.
No, we're just going to show you the Oreo bonbons and the crab legs, and that's all you need to see.
I mean, we can talk about it a little bit, but it is a standard 1 table service dining credit buffet.
If you're on the dining plan.
The buffet items do change throughout the week.
Yeah, certain days.
And that's only specific things. So they have like a main assortment of things, but then like, I think it's like calamari and clam strips and crab legs and things like that. It changes. So be on the lookout for that. And then afterwards, I think we're actually going to walk into Epcot.
We are.
And I don't know how long we're going to be in there for, but I'm kind of excited. Slightly disappointed because if we stay for fireworks, once again, I don't have a tripod. Go figure.
We have finished dinner. We had some Oreo bonbons. That's literally all I came here for. Just kidding.
$50 a person just for Oreo
But I will
bonbons.
be taking an Oreo bonbon for the walk over to Epcot. It might make it out the door. But the crab legs were good, and the pizza, and the steak, and the calamari. I'm pretty sure it's Tuesdays and Thursdays is when they have calamari, and that's pretty much when we come every time we've ever come here, and they have calamari. Two enthusiastic thumbs up.
2 enthusiastic thumbs up.
So we have made it into Epcot now, and we're walking around the World Showcase, and it is so great, like an amazing feeling to see all of these food and wine booths going up. I think they were actually going up like the other day when we were here, but it was dark and we didn't really get to see them. So I'll tell you what, it is a different experience being here compared to like when it's just Taylor and I.
Jossie
and it's
just
like
tried to throw away her $10 poncho.
and it's Taylor and I and like everybody else.
Taylor and I and everybody else.
Jimmy John. So we have made our way the whole way around World Showcase. What are we doing?
I don't know. We do have a Spaceship Earth Fast Pass, and then the fam has extra magic hours, which,
Here?
yeah, till 11 p.m. Spaceship Earth.
I know, you are so
ER.
When was the last time that we've even been on Spaceship Earth? It's been forever for me.
Really? I was just on it the other day.
Yeah, I haven't been on this in forever.